Today I'm going to showcase the use of tangrams in a classroom. A tangram is a Chinese puzzle consisting of a square that is cut into various shapes and sizes. Typically they are cut into 5 triangles, 2 bigger, 2 smaller, and 1 medium, a square, and a rhombus. They can be combined to create a large square such as this one, or various other shapes and sizes. Tangrams are great manipulative to use in classrooms because they can be utilized in multiple ways. The same shapes that I have here can also be used to create a rectangle, trapezium, or even a larger triangle. Another great thing about tangrams is the fact that they're it's inexpensive manipulative to use. The tangrams I'm using today are cut out on colored paper. You can also buy hard copy tangrams such as these plastic pieces. This is a rhombus or a triangle. And you can get them online through Oriental Trader or any teaching site or store. Another great thing with the paper ones is that the students can take them home and practice with home problems on their homework, and you won't have to worry about losing your manipulative. If you notice on my pieces, I actually have fractions, and I'm about to show you where I got those fractions. So tangrams can also be used to showcase fractions in a shape. And if we were to take our original square, this one, and set it equal to 1, so we're saying our square is equal to 1, we're going to solve how much each of our pieces are worth. If we notice, excuse me, that the 2 larger triangles are half of the square, we can say that they equal 1/4, because 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/8. Reduce it down, you get a half. Now we're splitting up the rest of our half into 5 pieces, and we know that our square, our rhombus, and our triangle are bigger than our 2 other triangles. So we're splitting that up, so our square is 1/8, our other triangle is 1/8, and our rhombus is 1/8, which leaves us with 1/8 to split up between the 2 triangles, giving us 1/16. Let me straighten those up for you. Not only do tangrams showcase fractions, but you can create shapes or animals with them. So we have our square here, but we also can make a swan. Let me zoom out for you. We can create a swan using our shapes. These are still the shapes from before. And we can create a fish. There are many other shapes that you can create with this. Ooh, let me turn around for you. You can create a house, a person, a dog, any type of animal or shape that you want. And what's really cool with this, especially if you're teaching a younger grade, like we are 4th grade, you can use it to ask questions that they'll be really interested in. So say I were to ask, how much is the body of the fish worth? We know that these 2 triangles make up 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So it's worth half of the fish. So its body is worth half of the fish. Another great thing about tangrams is it's a really good brain teaser and puzzle. If you were to give a student this black sailboat and you were to ask them, can you create this sailboat using your tangram shapes, they can, because they can split it up and solve it. So it's also a really good brain teaser, refresher if they are bored and don't have anything else in the class to do and they finish all their work.